Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First, and in this video we are going to look at finding the factors of a number. In the previous video we were looking at the multiples of a number, so in this video we are going to look at the multiples of a number. I hope you have done the work, the activity that I gave you in the multiples of a number. Alright, now let's see. When it comes to finding the factors of a number, this is what you need to remember. What is a factor? Any number that goes into another number, you can say goes or divides into another number without a decimal remainder is considered as a factor. For instance, 2 and 1 are factors of 10 because 2 goes into 10 5 times and 5 goes into 10 2 times. Alright. Now let's try an example here. Let's quickly look at this example. Example 1. Okay, so find all the factors of, let's say, 20. Okay, so the easy way to do this, so I'm going to show you a nice and easy method of doing this. So you just draw a table. Okay, you don't have to draw a table in your case, but I do find this very easy to work with. So I draw a table, I can narrow it down to make it very small. Okay, and then I merge this. Okay, I merge it. I merge, I should go home, and I should merge it. Where is merge? I don't think it's design. Where are you? Merge. Okay, let me try again. Right click, merge. So yes, found it. Okay, and then let's quickly go back home. On tab, then I put 20 here. All right. So the smallest factor for all the numbers is always 1. So you say 1 goes into 20 times. Okay, so 1 goes into 20 times. Then you move on to this next smallest number. The next smallest number will be 2. All right, can 2 go into 20? Yes. How many times? It will go in 10 times. Can 3 go into 20? Nope, it cannot go in. All right, it cannot go into 20. It will go in, but it will leave a decimal remainder. So we move on to 4. 4 goes into 20. How many times? 5 times. All right, and then 5 goes into 20. How many times? 4 times. So this is now repeating itself 4 times. And then we know that 10 can also go into 20. So we know that 10 can also go into 20. So 4 there. So you put 10 goes into 20. How many times? 2 times. Right. How about 12? No. 15? No. So the next number that can go into 20 is just 20 itself. Okay. So then after that, we can now list down all the answers. So if you can just allow me to use the space below here. So the answers will be, so the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, you don't have to repeat 4 and 5. Okay, and then there are 10 and 20 itself. So those are the factors of 20. So these numbers can divide into 20 without a decimal remainder. Okay. All right. When it comes to factors, I think you should also remember that these rules. Okay. DV, C, P, D, T rules. It's very important to remember these rules. Okay, because remember what are the divisibility rules? So these are the rules that will tell you whether a number can be divided by by 2 or by 3. Okay, so So any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 can be divided by 2. Alright, any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 can be divided by. Alright, and then we can also say that any number that ends with 0 and 5 can be divided by 5 without any decimal remainder. Okay, when it comes to the divisibility rule of number 3, it's a bit tricky. You need to pay attention to this divisibility rule. Okay, so to find out whether a number can be divided by 3, you must add up the digits, right? So to find out if a number can be divided by 3, you need to add up the digits. If the answer is divisible by 3, then the original number can be divided by 3. Okay, let's look at an example for this one. Let's say we have, let's put it in brackets, let's say example, let's look at 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Let's find out. So what do? We say 1 plus 5 will give us 6. Okay, but if you look at 6 can be divided by, so since 6 can be divided by 3, therefore 15 can also be divided by 3. Okay, so these rules, you need to remember them very well, because when you're doing the factors, they will make your life easier. Okay, let's look at example number 2, and then I'll give you something to practice. Example number 2. Okay, right, example number 2. Find all the factors of, or list all the factors of, let's say, all the factors of 18. Okay, so what do? We're just gonna copy this table as it is. We don't want to draw another one, so we bring it down here. Seems like we need more space, so we come down here. All right, so we paste it down here and paste. When instead of put 18, we empty all that. Okay, remember that 1 is a universal factor. Any whole number can be divided by 1. Any whole number can be divided by 1. So 1 divides into 18 times. Can 2 divide 18? Let's go back to our divisibility rules. It says here, any number that ends with a 2, 4, 6, 8 can be divided by 2. So this number here ends with an even number, all right, which is 8. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. Sorry for that. It goes in 9 times. All right. What about 3? Can 3 go into 18? Yes. How do you know that? Because 1 plus 8 is 9. And since 9 can be divided by 3, 3 can also divide 18, and that's going to be 6 times. All right. What about 4? Can 4 divide 18 without a remainder? Nope, we cannot divide it. All right, what about 5? What about 6? 6, if you put in 6, we are just gonna get 3, so we are repeating ourselves. 6, 7, not 7, 8, 8, 9. 9, yes, 2 times, and 10 cannot, so we stop right there. So these are the factors of 18. So the answers, if you can just allow me again to do this. So the answer, you can just allow me to do this again so that I don't have to start over again. All right, there we go. There we go. I paste. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 itself, and 18 itself. All right. Okay. So what I want you to do, I want you to try this example, activity 2. Activity 2. We check something up here. Activity number 2. I would like you to list all the factors of 36. Okay, so that's your homework to do, or practice question. Remember, if you don't understand, please contact me privately on WhatsApp, and I can help you. All right, thank you for your time, and please do the activity number 2. All right, in our next video we are going to look at what is called a prime number. All right, prime number and also composite number. That will be the next discussion in our video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like, remember to comment. You can ask the questions in the comment box. All right, bye bye.